What you're about to watch is one of the craziest high-speed police chases ever caught on camera in California. This driver hit 140 miles per hour, blew through red lights, drove on the wrong side of the freeway, and it all ended in flames. In the next 20 minutes, I'm going to pause the footage and break down every single law he broke. 11 laws in just 12 minutes of driving. Some of these carry years in prison. Let's roll the chase and start counting the felonies. Then, Law 1, California Vehicle Code 23103A, reckless driving. Right from the first second he slaws it, he's already breaking California Vehicle Code 23103A, reckless driving. The law says you cannot drive with wanton disregard for the safety of persons or property. Translation: if your driving would scare a normal person, it's reckless. First offense is up to 90 days in jail and a $1,000 fine. Second offense jumps to a year. He's doing 120 in traffic. That's textbook reckless driving. Law 2, CVC 2800.2, felony evading a peace officer. Watch this. The second he sees the red and blue lights and keeps going instead of pulling over, he just committed a felony. California Vehicle Code 2800.2, fleeing or attempting to elude a peace officer in a vehicle while driving recklessly. This is no longer a ticket, this is a felony. Up to 3 years in state prison and up to $10,000 in fines. In California, you can literally go to prison for years just for running from the cops. Law 3, CVC 20002, hit and run, misdemeanor. Look at that, he just sideswiped a sedan and never stopped. That's California Vehicle Code 2002, hit and run, even if it's just property damage. It's a misdemeanor, up to 6 months in jail and another $1,000 fine. Most people think hit and run only counts if you smash someone hard. Nope. Clip a mirror and leave? Still hit and run. If you're enjoying this breakdown, hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications. We do every state. Law 4, CVC 22348B, speeding over 100 miles per hour. He just passed 130, 135, 140 miles per hour. California has a special law just for this. Vehicle Code 22348B. Traveling over 100 miles per hour on any highway. It doesn't matter if the freeway is empty. The second you cross 100, it's an automatic infraction with a minimum 30-day jail sentence possible and fines up to $900. California is one of the only states with a specific over 100 miles per hour charge. Law 5, CVC 22107, unsafe lane changes. Every single one of these lane changes without signaling or checking mirrors is another violation. 22107, turning or changing lanes when it's not safe. Each one is a separate point on the license and another ticket. He probably racked up 15 to 20 of these in the first 2 minutes alone. Law 6, CVC 21651, driving on the wrong side of a divided highway. Now he's going the wrong way on the freeway. He just crossed the dirt median. California Vehicle Code 21651. It is illegal to drive on the wrong side of a divided highway. This one is extremely dangerous and can easily be charged as felony reckless driving or even assault with a deadly weapon if someone gets hurt. Hope you're liking the video so far. Smash that subscribe button so you don't miss Texas, Florida, and every other state. Law 7, CVC 23109C, exhibition of speed. Watch him do that little fishtail burnout when the helicopter is right above him. That's called exhibition of speed, Vehicle Code 23109C. Even if you're not racing anyone, just showing off like that on a public road is a misdemeanor. Cops love adding this charge because it's easy to prove from the air. Law 8, CVC 27315, mandatory seatbelt violation. Zoom in, he's not wearing a seatbelt. California is a primary enforcement state for seatbelts, Vehicle Code 27315. That means they can pull you over just for no seatbelt. While running from the cops at 140, they will definitely write that ticket after they pull what's left of him out of the car. If this kind of real-world law breakdown is your thing, please subscribe. It really helps the channel grow. Law 9, CVC 2322B, open container of alcohol, marijuana. After the crash, troopers found open beer cans rolling around the car. Vehicle code 23222B. You cannot have an open container of alcohol or marijuana in the passenger area while driving. Another $1,000 fine and more points. Even if he wasn't drunk, it's still illegal. Law 10, CVC 26708. Illegal window tint. His windows are almost black. California has strict tint laws. 26708. Front side windows must allow at least 70% light in. You can't see inside the car during a pursuit, which makes it more dangerous for the officers. Another easy citation. Law 11, CVC 4000A, expired registration. Finally, when they ran the plates, they found the registration expired over a year ago. Vehicle code 4000A. In California, driving with expired tags over 6 months is an automatic tow and impound, plus hundreds in fees. They always check this after a crash. So let's add it all up. Felony evading, reckless driving, speeding over 100, hit and run, wrong way driving, exhibition of speed, no seatbelt, open container, illegal tint, expired tags, and more. Total possible punishment in California for this one 12-minute chase: over 7 years in state prison and more than $50,000 in fines and fees. All because he didn't want a ticket. Don't be this guy. Obey the speed limit, pull over when the lights come on, and drive safe. If you want to see the same breakdown for Texas, Florida, New York, and every other state, hit subscribe, turn on the bell, and I'll see you in the next one. Stay safe out there.